In this video, I will show you the best note-taking app for iPad that is free also. And that app is called OneNote. By far, this is my favorite app. Although the default app of the iPad, that is here, it is also good. But if the problem with this is that it only gives you the sync option available within the Apple ecosystem, whereas the advantage of OneNote is that it is available for free for Android, for Apple, for iPad, and even for your desktop PC. So whatever the notes that you are going to make here, so they will be visible everywhere. Now, the other important thing that differentiates it from the other is that is its interface. The interface is such that by default you will have the first option. By default you can create the books in this, and within the books you can create the sections, and within the sections you can create the pages. And so it appears to be like a notebook, and the interface you can see here, these are the first tab is the notebooks, and then I have the sections, and then I have the pages. So this is actually what I like about this. And for the students perspective, you can write the drawing features are available. You can draw anything here. You can insert the PDF file into this, and you can do the annotations. You can highlight the text, so it can convert your handwritten notes into text. You can see here. So this is another option. The another thing that I like about is that the page they offer is unlimited. If you don't have to take a printout, my suggestions would be that you make all the notes on one page for one particular subject. So this is what actually I also do, and I think this is the best note-taking app. So on the top, I'm not going to go into the detail of every feature that is available here, but I'm just going to quickly show you the tabs. In the home tab, you will see the all basic features, font and highlighters, font text, and then alignment options, and then we have the symbols also. Then in the insert, you can do the tables, you can insert pictures, you can insert photos from cameras online, you can even record the audio, you can insert the audio file, you can insert normal files, you can insert PDF files, you can add links, and the other important thing is that you can link the pages with each other. And it doesn't matter that the pages are within one book, as long as they are in your one account. You can link one page to any other page in any other section or in any other book. So that is also one thing that is extremely useful. Then you can change the ink from here, and you can draw or write in particular language. Then in the view option, you have this selecting the page, line pages. You can have the different width of the line, and then you can also see the grid pages, as you can see here. You can change it to dark mode, or you can switch back it to daylight. Why I think that this OneNote is better than all the other note apps is because that the other apps provide you the cloud storage or syncing across the platforms or different gadgets in the paid version, whereas this is totally free. Secondly, against the Apple own notes app, the disadvantage is that it can be you can have this onto the Android also, and you can do it in the Windows. You can see and you can install that in Windows also. And if there are any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to answer that in the comment section. But if it is not possible, I'll try to make a video on that, and then I may tag you in that video. Thanks for watching.